Ring, ring, ring. Hello? Oh yes, it's me eating garbage. Oh, I have a nail file in here. Whoops. That's fine. Welcome to another edition of Best of the Worst, where I take clearance rack sweets and stick them right in my Okay, that's not. Here's my clearance rack sweets haul. I love eating garbage. Welcome to Best of the Worst, where I take what the Well, God. Welcome to Best of the Worst, where I take clearance rack sweets and rate them from best to worst. This week, I've got a haul of candy from the clearance rack at Ralph's. Why Ralph's? Because I can walk to it. So please don't question it. We're in a pandemic. Thank you so much. And we had candy on sale. So I got like a nice group here. Starting out, we've got Sixlets, Big Hunk, Abba, Zaba, Baby Ruth, Baby Ruth, M&M Minis, excuse me, disgusting Necco Wafers, Ring Pop, Flip Phone Pop. I would be eating candy in my bed anyway, so this really was just kind of a convenient merging of events. This is my natural habitat. This is the first time I tried filming the video in my room. Anyway, would I have a family bed if I had a family? Yes. Let's start with the Sixlets. What are Sixlets? Chocolatey candy. Very specific. Love it. I feel like these are basically M&Ms. Chocolatey candies. Doesn't guarantee real chocolate. It just says chocolatey. Who cares? Let's just eat it. These might be like old-timey candy. Ooh, they're like a very vibrant color. Tastes a little malty. Just a mouthful of Sixlets. These aren't bad. Maybe I'm just hungry. Sixlets. Okay, I'm gonna try the M&M Minis because that's the closest thing to it. I feel like it's the same thing. I didn't even know they still made M&M Minis. I remember when M&M Minis came out and that was like the cool shit. Like if you didn't have M&M Minis in your pocket at school, you were a loser. I was a loser. You open this trash. My tongue is blue from the Sixlets. Wow. Okay, we've got these M&M Minis. Gotta pop them open real cool. Oh, that's like a classic M&M. There's like a difference between the different chocolates. Sixlets, M&Ms. I don't know. Maybe the Sixlets, I like that they're round. I remember when the blue M&M came out and we all had to vote on the blue M&M. Anyway, I'm actually 19, so I don't remember any of that. Okay, then we have Baby Ruth. I've never cared for Baby Ruth. I've also haven't seen one in a long time. Why would this be on sale? I mean, is it expired? Oh yeah, Best by September 2020. That means, if it says Best by September 2020, that means that this was made in literally 1995. By Peanutty. What is in a Baby Ruth? Does Babe Ruth's family get credit for this? Maybe I like peanuts again. Interesting. I'm not like a big candy bar person, but this is like actually not bad. Dry roasted peanuts, rich caramel, and smooth nougat. What the f is nougat? Anyway, moving on, we have Necco Wafers. Disgusting. What even is this? I was thinking of this the other day. Since 1847. That's not a good thing. Candy shouldn't be that old, except for black licorice. Love black licorice. I don't even need to know why these are on sale. It's obvious. It just doesn't taste like anything. It kind of tastes like, Do I like Necco Wafers? No. There's a nostalgia. Well, you gotta try every flavor. What even is this? Am I eating chalk? Do I like eating chalk? These are fragrant, by the way. They're not just flavored, they're fragrant. I've already eaten so many without realizing it. White are the best. I have to put that down. So we had like a bunch of chocolate, and now we're getting into like the candy. I have Big Hunk. I love anything that rips out your teeth. This definitely looks like something that would rip out your Big Hunk. Chewy, honey sweetened nougat with whole roasted peanuts And then we have Abba Zaba Chewy Taffy Peanut Butter Center. This is a pretty peanut butter heavy pack. Okay, Big Hunk, Abba Zaba. Big Hunk, Abba Zaba. These are definitely old-fashioned-y. I'll go with the Big Hunk. Oh, it's white? Weird. This looks like a fruitcake inside. Odd. Not what I expected. Not at all what I expected. This is like silly putty. Hello. I thought I was gonna enjoy that. What is that? I mean, peanuts and sugar in general are good, but like, I kind of wish it was just Laffy Taffy. I'll still eat it, but do I like it? Do I like you? I don't know. Abba Zaba Chewy Taffy Peanut Butter Center. Doesn't sound great to me. I like the packaging though. It's fun and old-fashioned-y. So let's get into it. Again, it's white. Why? It's like white silly putty. It looks almost exactly white. It won't open at the top. God, open. Okay, so this one is like filled. Like there's like a filling inside. It's like a sad airhead. I don't even know. This one, I mean, I like peanut butter as a center better than peanuts, but I think it's the outside that shits the bed on this one. Oof. No, thank you. Now we have the flip phone pop. The flip phone pop, I'm so excited for. It's like a hologram. Is it a hologram? Flip phone pop. This is for kids, obviously. There's so much to unpack here because phones don't look like this anymore. Okay, we have our flip phone, which you, I guess, can press. Oh, it pops open. I see. That's where the flip comes from. Excuse me. Hello. Oh, yes, it's me eating garbage. Interesting. It's got this little, like, pager thing on the back, like clip, so you could just do a little, yeah, anyway, so, if we could get those reports on my desk. Oh, hold on one second. Hello? So it's fun, obviously. Then the idea is that you just hold it like this. Like the phone is the base. I'm dying. I don't even know what flavor this is. Or is supposed to be. Or if there is a flavor. But it's pink. So let's see if it tastes good. Kind of tastes like watermelon. Oh, it has a little picture of a watermelon. It's fine. It's a little gummy. The flavor's not super strong. Anyway, I think I'll talk to you later. Last but not least, we have ring pop. Love a ring pop. Have I had a ring pop in my adult life? Absolutely. Would I do it again? Yes. What flavor is this one? This is watermelon. So this will be good comparison-wise. Okay, well, this is melted to the thing. This was like always it. This was always what I wanted. It never fit on my fat finger. I loved it anyway. You can tell when candy's old because it has that layer of gel over it where it's not like hard. It's just like mushy. Damn, ring pops are pretty fucking good. I'll be finishing this. I have to figure this out, but this is difficult because they're all different kinds. I have to like choose between chocolate and candy. Who came up with this? Me. I love all candy to a large degree. There's very few candies that I just like will straight up not eat. Even candy corn, I'm like, that's disgusting, and then eat some. But out of these, I mean, the worst has to be Necco Wafers. Has to be. There's just no way. There's no comparison. Let me see. Oh, and it still tastes like chalk. I feel like I would still eat them, but they're disgusting. This is the kind of candy you buy when you don't want to eat candy. You're trying to limit yourself. You only want a little bit at a time. This is the candy you buy when you're working on portion control. because nobody wants to eat that. Worst. What's next? Here's the thing. If you're gonna do a watermelon candy, you better nail it. And what we have here are 2 concept candies designed to make children sick over sugar. One, a fun flip phone. Hilarious. All right. This is gonna be second to worst because this flip phone broke and I'm over it. Next, I mean, I have to go with Abba Zaba. What the actually is this? Again, I would eat it. What is this? Abba Zaba's third worst. Next. I mean, do I like these Sixlets? Or are M&Ms good? Do I like Big Hunk? Texturally, I appreciate this. Sixlets is fourth worst. Wow. Bye-bye, Sixlets. Next. I mean, I'm gonna go with M&Ms. I don't even like M&Ms like that. And I'm over here eating Sixlets and M&Ms. Who cares? You're done. Did I like the Baby Ruth? I think I liked it. Okay, chocolate peanut butter. I think I'm gonna have to put Big Hunk. Big Hunk is next. So Big Hunk is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 worst. Bye-bye, Big Hunk. It's come down to 2 classics. We've got the Ring Pop in its purest form and a Baby Ruth. This might just be based on what I'm in the mood for tonight. Like, am I actually hungry or do I want a treat? Okay, I think I know. Okay, so this is kind of based on a technicality, but the layer of gel around an old candy is actually disgusting. That is the only reason why Ring Pop is coming in second to last. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. It's not good. You have to suck on it for a while to get the thing out. I don't have time for that. I don't have time to get through its layer of gunk. Sorry, Ring Pop. Which means, for whatever reason, Baby Ruth wins. I'm not a candy bar person, but like, I would eat this. This isn't bad. Okay, interesting. Also, there's nothing wrong with this, technically. It's just a candy bar. All right, so, Baby Ruth, you are the best of the worst, even if it is technically expired. So what do we have from worst to best? We've got the absolute worst, Necco Wafers. Next, we've got this bullshit flip phone with some wanky ass candy in there. Then we have Abba Zaba, which is maybe the worst candy idea I've ever seen in my life. Then, Sixlets. What are we trying to be? There's an ant on the cover, and who cares? Then we've got M&M Minis. Should have stayed in the 90s. Am I right? Thank you. Next, Big Hunk. Again, texturally fun for me. Looks bad. This is not a thing. This is lazy candy making. Then we've got our gelatinous Ring Pop. And winner of this clearance rack haul is Baby Ruth, baby. Baby Ruth, Baby Ruth. All right, well, this was cool. I really appreciated you watching. Leave a note in the comments if you want to live under my bed like a troll. Let me know if you have any thoughts on... I'm just kidding. I don't care about your thoughts. This has been fun. I want to make more of these videos. It'll be sick. Please subscribe to my page. Please follow me on all platforms. Please donate to Black Lives Matter. Please vote for Biden so we don't die. And have a good day. Love yourself.